How to see previous story on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see previous story on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the three dot icon just beside the add to story button. And now here, once you are inside the profile settings section, simply scroll down and tap on archive. And now here in this section, just tap on story archive button at the top. And once you tap on it, here you will see all the stories that you have previously posted on Facebook. Now here you can just tap on any story to view, share and download it again. And that's it. That's how you can see previous story on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.